How to create WhatsApp channel. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you can create WhatsApp channel. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right in. First step, make sure that your WhatsApp is up to date to your latest version. If it is, you can locate your WhatsApp app and then open it up. After you're on your WhatsApp, navigate to the Updates tab. And after you're on the Updates tab, you'll find Create Channel option. So tap on the Create Channel option and tap on Continue. After you do that, create a channel's name. And you can add a description if you want. Then finally tap on Create Channel. And then you'll just have created your channel. And that's how easy it is, guys, and that is how you can enable or create WhatsApp channel. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.